Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create an account on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app. Next, tap on create new account. Then you can see get started button, so tap on here. Next, you enter your name in here. After you add your first name and last name, click next. Then you won't enter your birthday like this. After you enter your birthday, tap on next. Then select your gender in here and click next again. Next, enter your mobile number you are currently using in here and you can sign up with your email. So now add some strong password you like in here. Next, save your login info by clicking this save button, or you can click not now. Now you want to confirm your mobile number. After you came to this page, you may receive an OTP code for the previous phone number you entered. And enter that OTP code here. Then click on the next to continue. Here's your Facebook account. Add a picture for your profile picture and keep your accounts as you like. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.